everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the double crochet. This is a really great basic crochet stitch because it works up so quickly and it's really easy to learn. So once you learn it, then you can make so many different projects with this yarn and you can make them in no time. Start by making a slip knot and then chaining your desired length. If you don't know how to make a slip knot or how to chain, I will have that video linked down below. Okay, now that I have the length that I want, now you're going to chain 2, and these are your turning chains, so you will not be working into those stitches and you do not count them as part of the stitch count. So to crochet a double crochet, yarn over, so wrap the yarn around your hook, so wrap it around the front and so then it's in the back again, and insert your hook into that third chain. So through this loop up here, then yarn over again, pull back through the chain, and you should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops like this, and you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both of those loops. And that is your first double crochet. So again, yarn over, and in that next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through the chain. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops, and you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. So you're going to continue repeating this in every chain until you have reached the end of the row. I just finished row 1. This is what it should look like. So now to begin row 2, chain 2. Again, this is your turning chain. You will not be working into those chains. And in that first stitch, so this is what your first stitch looks like. It creates a V on the top, yarn over, and in that very first stitch, insert your hook, and then yarn over, pull back through 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So then you have another double crochet, and like row 1, work 1 double crochet in every stitch until you have reached the end of the row. Okay, this is what it should look like after row 2. So chain 2 and turn, and you are going to repeat row 2. So 1 double crochet in every stitch, and then chain 2 at the end of each row, and then turn, and you're going to continue repeating that until you have reached your desired length. I just finished several more rows of the double crochet so you can see what it looks like. This is a really great stitch because it works up so quickly. Once you get the hang of it, you will want to use this stitch for all of your projects because it really does work up really quickly, and it's a really nice basic texture, and it has a nice drape to it as well. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more crochet content and tutorials.